Unlocking the past. Using might in reported speech. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into an interesting aspect of English language, the use of modal verbs in reported speech. Specifically, we're focusing on how to report modal verbs that originally used may by substituting it with might to indicate past possibilities. Understanding this rule can greatly enhance your English grammar, particularly when retelling past events. Let's get started. First off, what are modal verbs? These are a special category of verbs in English that express necessity, possibility, permission or obligation. The modal verbs include can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must and ought to. Now, the modal verb, may, is often used to express possibility or permission. For example, she may go to the concert tonight. When we switch to reported speech, or indirect speech, we often change the tense of the original sentence. This tense shift applies to modal verbs as well. For instance, present tense verbs generally shift to the past tense. Let's take a closer look at may in reported speech. When the modal verb may in direct speech is converted into reported speech, it usually changes to might. This is done to indicate a past possibility. For example, consider this sentence in direct speech. She said, I may go to the concert tonight. In reported speech, it would change to, she said that she might go to the concert. Here, might is expressing a past possibility, the chance that she would go to the concert. Let's do some practice. 1. Direct. He said, I may finish the work by tomorrow. Reported. He said that he might finish the work by the next day. 2. Direct. She said, they may visit us next week. Reported. She said that they might visit us the following week. Remember, practice makes perfect. That wraps up our lesson on using might for past possibility in reported speech. As you can see, changing may to might when switching to reported speech can give your English conversations a boost of authenticity and clarity. Remember, the key is practice, practice, practice. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.